jet skiing for the second time ever. My cousin Adam and brother Brandon. You wanna say hi? Yes, I am.
Nothing in your pockets, right, guys? Jared and Brad. Okay. Is it too tight or no? Okay, muscles, guys.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Jared and James channel. Jared Bryce here. We have a special treat for you guys today. I'm going to be riding a jet ski for the first time with my brother Brandon. And so, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
You're up, Brad.
And let's go.
We also got the boat too. Do you guys ever want to do the boat?
No.
Right, cool, thank you. I grew up in Baldwin.
It was open this last year.
It is great.
They don't have brakes. No brakes on the ski, okay? This is your throttle. The harder you squeeze it, the faster you go. The faster you go, the more stable the jet ski is. You need to make a course correction left or right. You have to be squeezing this throttle. You need to perpetual motion of the engine to make a turn. Course correction, okay? You fall off, you got life jackets, don't get back onto the gear, swim to the back, get off to the back. You guys are always going to be with me, so we're never going to be apart. You guys go where I go, never drive directly behind me, or behind each other for that matter. What we're going to do is we're going to go riding for a little bit. If I go fast, you go fast. I go slow, you go slow. If I go in between buoys, it's for a reason, okay? I'm doing that because it's very mid-tide right now, but still there's a lot of sandbars out there, and those channel markers are there for a reason, okay? So I'm in between a buoy or around a buoy, you guys go that way too, okay? Alright, any questions?
What's the boot?
Buoys?
What's a boot?
I think he's gonna take you to a nice little spot. Once you guys get out there, feel free to do whatever you want. Don't be right behind someone.
Yeah.
These don't stop on a dime like a car. You know what I'm saying?
He has a YouTube channel. It's called Jared James. Yeah, get out there.
You're gonna lift up this little. You're gonna turn the steering wheel. Hold that button down. Just like riding the bike back on the floor. Have fun, guys. When you get back, now you're gonna coast. No gas in here. Just let it roll.
Slow.
How you going right now, man? They're gonna have a good time.
No. You tell the front one's the cautious one, the other one's the daredevil.
We like the daredevils.
Yeah, he's in the back. Oh, I'm sorry. How big too? How big too? How big too?
Oh, great. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It was awesome.
who would get to yourself? It was awesome.
Yeah. I got like over 45 miles per hour.
Yeah, let them in. They brought him back in one piece, a miracle.
I've never been on one. I like it.
go in. How was it?
Huh?
How was it?
You're next.
How was it?
Fun. Yeah, they go
Darren, how was it? How was it?
It's very fun. Awesome time. Round number 2.
Did you see the stop line this time?
So we just finished up jet skiing for the second time ever. My cousin Adam and brother Brandon, you want to say hi? So like, I got up to 44 miles per hour this time. My best from last time was 46. Adam got up to 46. We had some fun races. And so now we're gonna walk around for a bit. Good vibe here in Maryland. DJ booth. So yeah, so anyways, back to the jet skiing. So like, at first I was originally just gonna post the first time that we went, but then like my dad told me that like there was gonna be jet skiing when we went on vacation in Maryland, which is where I'm at right now. So like we decided to hold off on that video and add the footage from today into that. So like anyways, I want to talk a bit about like the experience as well as stepping out of your comfort zone. So, wait one sec. Hey. So anyways, so like the first time you go, it's definitely very nerve-wracking. And like, but like I definitely recommend like if you're gonna go like for the first time, it's definitely important like to have like a guide there, like someone to teach you like how the thing works and like what to do. And so, anyways, the first time like Brandon, my brother, like he was actually pretty like nervous. Like, so like, he started off like I'm going slow, like I'm similar to like Adam if you guys saw it today. But then like what the guy told us was that like the faster you go, the easier it is to control it actually, because like you're gonna be like hydroplaning over the water. So like it actually turns out to be easier the faster you go. And like it's definitely hard like to like start and stop it, but like today's thankfully I have one of those like reverse / stopping things I'm on it. So like today's was actually easier to control than the one I was at like 3 weeks ago. But like anyways, it's an awesome experience, super exhilarating. I definitely recommend being someone like who's like old enough like to drive probably like before you do this, like because otherwise it's gonna be like probably pretty dangerous actually. But like anyways, it was awesome and exhilarating. It takes you over your comfort zone, like, which is very important. So like comfort is actually an impediment like to like progress. And so like as I've spoken about like with my like, healing journey in the past, like I've gone through a lot of discomfort, but like in a lot of ways that's like the only way to actually heal. Catch a view of the water. It's a beautiful day today. Just gonna be vlogging a little bit today while we're here. So anyways, yeah, so like it's important like to be able to like, step out of your comfort zone and to get comfortable with being uncomfortable, because in a lot of ways it's the only way to actually get better. So like, I mean, so sometimes like you just have to like let go of the wheel, like let go of control and just like go full throttle and trust that God and life is like holding the reins. And so yeah, so do something that makes you uncomfortable, do something that's like exhilarating, whether it be going on a big roller coaster, whether it be taking on a new job, whether it be a new career, whatever it is, get out of your comfort zone more often, I promise you. So like the parachute might not always open right away, but like the more often you do it, the more comfortable you get being uncomfortable, the easier it will get, because you'll be able to look back and remember all the amazing things that came out of stepping out of your comfort zone. So yeah. Anyways, I'll show you guys some more from this trip. Also, as I said earlier, so like last time the fastest I got up to was 46 miles per hour. Today I got up to 44. But yeah, these things go fast. And like especially being in the open water, it's definitely tough. But like today I definitely felt like I was like much more in control of it as opposed to last time. So like, just like with anything, the more often you do it, the better you're gonna get at it. Like the first time you do it, it's tough, it's scary. But like, as with anything, the more often you step out of your comfort zone, the better you're gonna get at it, and the more growth you're gonna have. Cause like growth growth almost always comes from places like where like you're not comfortable. Like similar like to how it is like when I'm detoxing, I'm not always comfortable. But like then the more like toxic stuff I get rid of, like the more toxins that like, come out of my body, the more healing I end up doing. So like same thing goes like with like weight training, like you have to like break down in order to build up. So keep those things in mind. I'll show you guys more of the trip.
Learn to play FROLF.
You mean golf?
FROLF! Frisbee golf, Jerry! Golf with a frisbee!
Brandon, you sure you don't want to like continue?
This way?
Yeah. Decent first though. Thank you. Adam's gonna have a good throw. I think I actually have the best throw so far.
Watch out, Jackson. Don't Brandon.
Should I go? Alright. Do you want to film me? I thought it was still the best. Frolfing for the second time ever. He frolfs, he scores. Am I up? Adam's up. Yeah, it's Adam. Look at Adam.
Go for a second.
He frolfs, he scores. 3. Par, I think.
Hit it.
That's nice though.
Alright, it's broken. You can't use it anymore.
Hole in one? No.
Not even close.
Yeah, and it's the wrong way.
Alright.
Throw it off.
Sideways. Oh.
Come back.
Yeah, we should back that the whole.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're doing the wrong one.
It's the oh, so this one's probably on the way back.
Probably.
Going for 3. Oh. Gimme for me too. Adam and Brandon both lost their frisbees into the woods, so now we're all sharing. And I actually just hit a truck by accident. It's been pretty messy, but like, pretty sure we're either tied or maybe me and Brandon are up by 1.
Watch out.
Terrible miss.
This is like Gibson catch check too. You're going to be using fucking do it. That's what we're doing.
Where is it?
And the gimme shot. Thankfully we didn't get me hitting the truck. I think the guy in there was cool about it. The Murphy ends up hitting that girl I was hitting.
Go through the thing.
Does that get us extra points?
Go.
Dad, how many points is that?
You're such a wimp.
Thank you. Oh, nice throw. It's your throw of the day.
Where's the hole?
I don't know.
Through the TikTok.
Is it right there?
Where? through the bouncy house? Gonna try to get some better aim on this next though. Oh, Adam's been going at it. Must be been nice. I almost hit Adam, but not the best hole so far. Am I up? Bram, what did you get? Oh. Solid though.
What room number are you?
Filing an insurance claim against me. Brandon with the throw.
Bro.
Brandon has gotten better.
Go ahead.
You getting yourself?
So how do, oh, I'm sorry. I look good actually. Wait, I'm not getting anyone there. That's true.
No, you're getting me.
I should have gotten you.
No. That was good. First few holes were really good. Last few not so good, even though I didn't get all of them on tape.
Heads up.
Yes, I am. Nice throw, Brand. Brand did that.
Pick mine up.
Wow.
Where'd this kid come from?
It's a ringer.
Foul full of
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm saying I throw it right.
You go, it's one of these. That one.
Blowing.
It's a nice throw. Thank you. Brandon, what a shot.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him. So YouTube family, it is in fact the next day of the trip. We're having breakfast. Today I'm gonna have it in the room, just like I'm sick to all of, like the foods that like I know work best for me. So like, you know what I'm saying? I had to stay prepared so I don't have to get prepared. So like brought some stuff from home, brought some of our kefir, brought some greens juice powder, collagen protein, some eggs, got all that good stuff. And we actually just cooked it, if you guys saw. So I have it all over here. We're all ready. So gonna eat some of this now, and then I'll show you guys my workout for today when we head to the gym in a bit. Let's get it. I'm also like making sure to be like a bit like extra careful, like especially because like so like the first day on the trip was actually pretty tough for me, like because like I was going through one of those like major detox days while I was in the car for all these hours. So like I was like not feeling good, like because like I might have a lot of stuff like to get rid of, but like I wasn't really able to. So like that was a very frustrating day, but like we made it through. And as I was saying before, a lot of times it's just not always comfortable like while you're healing, but like it's not meant to be. But like in the end, it's always gonna be worth it. So like every time I push through a day like that, I'm just adding to my story, adding to my healing process, and I'm getting better and better every day. All right, so let's make this kefir bowl now. It's all about like timing when it comes to having those detox days. Like so like, you just have to like understand your body, understand like how it reacts to everything. But like you definitely understand like when it's gonna happen, but like sometimes you just like can't like prevent it. But like I'm definitely lessening the amounts of detoxing that I'm doing as I'm getting better. So like hopefully those days don't happen as much. But like they're definitely healing days It's like something that like I just like have to go through. Especially as we lessen the amounts of clay I need, like I really don't need it much anymore, like, because like my digestive tract like is pretty much cleansed. So yeah, so it's a good sign. We're getting better every day. It's all a process. Trust the process. Not always easy, but like it will pay off. Gotta take our zeolite from Touchstone Essentials. You guys check those out in the description below. It's gonna help detox gently, slowly, but effectively from all the toxins that are in my body. Got some fulvic acid here. Very good stuff for you. Have our MSM and our organ supplements. It's just like very good like for my routine. It's all good for like my healing process. All good stuff. Let's go to the gym now. We're on a boat, right? See family. And see family. Call that a video now. So we're on a boat. You guys enjoyed the vlog. You guys enjoyed seeing the whole trip. Catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. Drop a like and comment. We out, chat. Peace.